Folks, if any of you own a Complex XR or Soare XR, listen to the drag in this video. It is an absolute music to my ears. This Soare XR in the video comes with a carbon disc out of the box, but I replaced it with a cheap felt from Hedgehog Studio. I think it costs only $1.50 if we don't count shipping. And then I put my own drag grease on top of that, because you do need good drag grease on top of it to stop the surging. But oh my god, you can count the clicks on that thing now. This is how freshwater ultralight reels should sound, in my opinion. Maybe in saltwater you do need the surging, because I know some of those fish can run like 100 miles per hour, but in freshwater we don't have any of that, and the surging is just annoying. But anyway, it's a gorgeous scenery, gorgeous background, so enjoy the video.
What a chunk. Fat little chunk. Jaw. Look at here. Look at here. Watch this, watch this. Black bass likes them too. Everybody like them. The float never got up. He must have hit it on the drop. one. Look at this one. This one is white and black. Look at this one. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yopale, 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 yopale. Wow. Oh my god. Another tanker. Another tanker. I mean tanker. I mean absolute tanker. Perfect cast. I knew it. Whoopa! Look at this. Hier war der Badu. Okay.
Folks, I get about 6 hours of recording time on my microphone before the batteries die. So usually after the 5th hour I change the microphone with a different one, but sometimes I forget. And when I forget, you end up with this video with no audio. And I caught some absolute tankers after my microphone died. But this video is already long enough, so I'm just gonna let you go. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Open the description under the video if you wanna check my jig heads, and I will catch you soon with a video from my new Corto rod. Bye bye.